Hello everyone, welcome to SEO Explains. Today, we will be discussing the Supreme Court's activity in June. During this time, the Supreme Court was on its 6-week summer vacation, which ended on 3rd July. A vacation bench declined to urgently hear a plea seeking army deployment in the state of Manipur. The court expressed concerns that their intervention will further aggravate the situation. A 3-judge bench led by CJI Chandrachud is now hearing the case in July. In another case, the court also refused to urgently hear a plea challenging the Manipur internet shutdown, as the same issue was being dealt with by the Manipur High Court. On June 1st, the Supreme Court released its monthly statistics report showing that the pendency is at 68,000 cases. This is the first time that the half-year pendency has dropped in the last 5 years. Head over to seobserver.in where we track half-year and yearly pendencies on a regular basis. On June 26th, the Supreme Court announced a new 5-judge constitution bench led by the CJI. This bench will hear cases about the selection process for public posts, the appointment of arbitrators, and on the valid license to drive a transport vehicle. Later in the first week of July, the Supreme Court announced another constitution bench led by the CJI, which will hear the challenge to the abrogation of Article 370. On June 16, Justice K.M. Joseph retired after a tenure of less than 5 years. He led 6 constitution benches where he authored judgments in 4 of them. The next day, Justice Ajay Rastogi retired after a tenure of 4.5 years. He was on the same 6 constitution benches as Justice Joseph. We saw the last retirement of the month on June 29th. Justice V. Ramasubramanian retired after a tenure of less than 4 years. This retirement brought the strength of the Supreme Court to 31 judges out of the sanctioned strength of 34. With the retirement of Justice Joseph and Rastogi, Justices B.R. Gavai and Surya Kant became a part of the Supreme Court Collegium. The Collegium consists of the 5 senior-most judges of the Supreme Court who recommend judges for appointment in the Supreme Court and various other high courts. Thank you for watching SEO Explains. Stay tuned to seobserver.in for more updates on the most important Supreme Court activities in July.